Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 6th, 2021. Bitcoin price prediction. The trader who called the last Bitcoin crash issues this new warning. Is it a warning, or maybe it might just be a heads up as to where the price is going to go? Welcome. This is HueFin News, also known as HFN. We're here to ensure that everyone who participates in our community, who is on our team, that they have a heads up as to where the market price is going to go. We're going to give you all this new warning about Bitcoin's price. Now, it may be a warning. Now, automatically, when someone gives you that word warning, you might be thinking of the negative, something bad is about to happen, something terrible is about to go down. No, not necessarily. This is just an issue that I wanted to show you all and tell you where I think the price in Bitcoin is going to go. So if you guys want to join me before I break down our price prediction for Bitcoin, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. We would welcome you to our particular community if you're willing to understand and learn how price really works in these markets. So join us. Now, check this out. Bitcoin. Not long ago, we did a price prediction in Bitcoin right there on September the 2nd. The current price prediction is still on point. The price is still going the way that we expected it to go. So why would I come in and do a video today and tell you all to watch out for this? Let's see. Because a lot of people has been eyeing Bitcoin and tagging that $50,000 price. Well, that was accomplished, right? We've seen Bitcoin hit that $50,000 price and it had no impact on its price movement of going down. So what in the world, where else can we expect this price to go in Bitcoin? Are you surprised? We've already got our price prediction as to what we're looking forward to into the market in Bitcoin. We are now bumping our heads in Bitcoin, right? Right there, $52,425. We're here. Now, the question is, do you think the market is going to break that to the upside? No, seriously, we have to be prepared. We have to anticipate where price is going to go so that we won't be confused and we won't be caught off guard and be like holding them back. Like, what happened? Why in the world did Bitcoin's price go down? We are now at that crossroads. What do you think the price in Bitcoin is going to do now? You have to make this decision. We have to look forward in order to profit and win. So what are you seeing on the chart? Let's take a look at the weekly chart, because if the weekly chart in Bitcoin look good, then the market is still golden for us to see the price to go up. So let me show you all the weekly time frame in Bitcoin. Look at that. Look how we ended last week. The market price in Bitcoin last week closed at the high of the bar. That tells us that this massive move that started in Bitcoin on July the 19th, 2021, the week of, it is still on point. It is still intact. So the market is still strong. Simple, right? It's not a coincidence. Take a look. This weekly price bar right here in Bitcoin looks identical to the start of this massive trend that Bitcoin has started back in July. Identical. It looks exactly the same. So if we get that result back in July, what do you think the market's going to do now? Right. The continuation of strength into the market in Bitcoin is still there. So it won't be a problem for you all to come in and just skim off some profits right now. 3 3/4%. I mean, that's a snack. You can eat off that. You could be, satisfied with that particular profit. But let's go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this restriction line, because how we ended last week lets me know that the price is trying to go up, that the market price in Bitcoin is trying to go higher. Now, the next hurdle, okay, it's going to be here. $55,000. Ultimately, right there at our ultimate TP price. Okay. Right there. That's what I'm looking forward to. Now, I can see the price in Bitcoin trying to hit 60,000 again, because that also is a point to where market got rejected right here. I can see that too. But I'm not going to place that on the chart. I'm not going to predict that just yet. I can see it happening, but not right now. Not over the next 2 weeks or so. Maybe in October. What do you all think? Can we see the price of Bitcoin hit $60,000 in October? So far, the market is on course to do just that. But I'm not going to predict it just yet. We got to be calm, cool, collected, non-emotional when we come into these markets, because the trap, he tries to play us with that. He tried to get our emotions so riled up and so fidgety that we just need to click the button and make a trade and get out or get in. No, we don't do that. We're cool. We're calm. We understand the market moves. We understand that because we see where he's trying to go. So now, this is a very simple video. I wanted to come in and give you all this new issue, this new statement, this new price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. The only thing that we've done was we increased our restriction level. That's it. Because how the market concluded last week. So it lets me know that that once area that we was eyeing as restriction, $52,500, it's not going to be a problem. So we had to increase it up higher. Now, our next area TP is around 55,000. Keep that in mind. We will come in and TP out the market in Bitcoin right there, which gives us 10.25% profitability just for us to be in position, right? This is how you're able to let your soldiers go to work for you and come back and bring back the bread. 10.25% right there. Now, right here, $57,500 will be our ultimate area of us getting out of our forecast position right there. 15.5%. Simple. While everyone else is going to be on these videos trying to get you to understand how RSI works, if the price goes down, if the percentage level goes below this number, then it means that the market is oversold, then it might be overbought, yada, yada, yada. You got the Fibonacci retracement that you got to learn, and then you got to understand when the moving average will cross over the 200-day. What does that mean? Then you might even have to, some people talk about Elliott waves and MACDs and Bollinger Bands. What does it all mean? We only want to know one thing. Where in the world is the price going to go? I've done it for you, and it wasn't even confusing. So now it's your turn. You are now part of our community. Drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know right now, what are you expecting the market price to do in Bitcoin over the next 2 weeks? All right, 2 weeks. Here it is. 2 weeks. Where are we going to go into the market for Bitcoin? Drop me a comment. Let me know. I want everyone to learn how to call the markets for themselves and not be dependent on someone else to give you 18, 20 minutes, 30 minutes worth of video, and you still are in no better position than where you were when you first clicked on it. You got to do this for yourself, because you won't be swayed and dictated to what people are trying to get you to believe. We're not swayed by what other people do. We look at the price. Price is how we're persuaded as to where the market is going to go. So hit me up. I'd like to know what you all think. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.